getting to 4 days before our grand open house at 1146 Marigold. And one of the best things about this house is where it's located. Some of the best schools in the city are in this particular area. This particular home is located in the Double Eagle Elementary School, also is the La Cueva High School and the Desert Ridge Middle School. All of these schools have some of the highest ratings in all of Albuquerque for public schools. So we're going to be there again this coming Thursday, beginning at 4 in the afternoon, carrying through till sunset, which would probably be about 7:30. And then on Saturday and Sunday, we'll be there again from 2 till 4. So we want to invite my colleagues, if you have clients who may be interested in this home, I think if you bring them, they'll be really impressed with this house, as well as some of our past clients, friends, family. We always like seeing you, so we want to make sure that you guys feel like you're welcome to attend. So again, this is going to be 1146 Marigold, and it's going to be Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. And we look forward to seeing you soon.